Hi everybody. Today at KD Cuts, we're going to start a video series on crossbody bags. And we're going to start with this bag, which comes from a pattern from the March-April 2021 edition of the Leather Crafters Journal. Now, a word about this magazine. In my opinion, this is the finest magazine out there related to doing leather work. It comes out 6 times a year or every other month, and it's loaded with great information on doing leather work. If you don't subscribe to this magazine, you really should. So go check it out. Now, after we finish making this pattern, we're going to move on to a Tandy kit. This is their kit 44425-00. They call it the messenger bag. This isn't the first one of these that I've made. I did one of these for a family member, and she gets rave unsolicited comments on this kit all the time. After that, we're going to do something that Tandy calls their crossbody phone pouch. And then after that, we're going to take these two kits, okay? This is Tandy's biker belt bag, 4470, excuse me. And their 44346 Windsor belt bag. We're going to take these two, add shoulder straps to them, and turn them into crossbody bags. Now, if you found this interesting, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the videos in this series and other interesting videos related to doing leather work. Thanks. See you soon.